Hello everyone and welcome back to Automated FX Trading. This is Osiris EA Day 8 recording this journal. Once again, Jose Ricardo Hain with you, just sharing information about our automated trading strategy named Osiris, and just give you all the information as usual. Why we think it's automated trading for you? Well, just a couple thoughts before we go into what I want to share with you today. Think about this. If you're a trader, imagine if you have all your resources, aka money, allocated in one trading account. Well, you have all that responsibility based upon the idea that you'll be in front of your screen. Even if you don't spend a lot of time, sometimes the whole necessity of looking at the market will be there, and you will have to analyze and looking at charts, all those, the charting, the fundamentals, what's going to be next in the GDP of XYZ country that is affecting your positions, all that. Remove all that and work now with a proven risk model or trading model that helps you get there. The second idea would be to focus your attention on the things that matter the most to you. Wouldn't you rather be with your loved ones or doing something that you love the most, or any other activity that just sweating or bleeding your positions? Oh, actually bleeding with your positions in a figurative way. And the third thing will be something that has changed thanks to central banks and the state of the worldwide economy, is that we have to go back to the basics, and that's make your resources, again, aka money, work for you, not the other way around. And the reason why I say this is because it's always the game of exchanging time for money. Okay, so you exchange time, your time, that it's a no renewable resource, for money, and now you have to keep working harder, putting more, giving away more hours to get the same or less money. Does that make, am I making sense of what I'm saying? Does that sound like something that you have been going through, or is actually it's happening? Well, perfect, then you're in the right place. So as usual, again, welcome. Thank you for taking this time. Forex Traders Daily, our main website where we have all the education, live trade rooms, regular information, updating you about the markets. Our president, CEO, Dustin Pass, and the rest of the senior traders, head coaches, Ross Mullins from the Prodigy Trader Program, and Mark Chapman, the inventor of the trademark Trap Traders concept. As usual, you can always send us any email, visit our YouTube channel for our daily free videos, and of course, Guardian Trust FX, our investment arm, dedicated and also research and development, where we keep working on building Osiris and the different versions and approaches that we think that over time will help you to really improve your results and change your lifestyle for the better. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go back and do a little bit of analysis over a live account that we have been working with over the last 3 months, 1 week. And so far, okay, I just updated this information on my FX book, which is one of the leading sites for reviewing your stats out of your MT4, MetaTrader 4. And we're working here only with one currency. You can see here, this is a live account in Australian dollars. Initial capital 6,000, 500 to 1, everything verified. Real account at Pepperstone in Australia. So far, these are the statistics. He started with an initial drawdown of 39.13%, but as I have explained in other videos, if you really look into how much it actually went down, it was on May 4th, and you will see a little bit of, let's go to percentages, difference. Let me click here. Difference on the section here, 29.92, 39.13. Now, what I want to focus now is on the math. So first, how you compare this and how you know it's really good. So first off is let's just focus on the return, 39.42. Between, and this is a website you can also pick, between 2005 to January 1st to December 31st, 2016, the S&P 500 adjusted for inflation, including dividends, had an annualized return of 5.35%. 5.35%, and this is with the CAGR. What is that? That means compound annual growth rate. That's annualized, everyone. Annualized. And here, with Osiris trading only one currency, I mean, due to the fact that we have it's 6,000 Australian dollars, it's a decent amount, but it can be somehow limited depending on the strategy. And it's good enough to start. I will suggest you start with 10,000 to reduce your drawdown. We'll talk about that in the next videos, but it's good to start. It's fair enough. And knowing how we know the US dollar versus Canadian dollar has been behaving as far as patterns and trading, it is the best way to start. Now that will take you to the idea. Okay, this client, it's superb return, super happy. He understood the risk from the very beginning. You know that with Osiris we're trading a risk model, which means that we already know the risk before we start. So he knew that his worst case scenario would be a loss of $3,500. That's it. Okay, so he was willing to take the risk, and here are the results. Now, what if you were looking to save? How long is it going to take you to just traditional way, go to the bank and park that money into the bank? Well, if you park that money and you find a bank that is going to pay you the same annualized return, compound, including inflation, adjusted for inflation, including dividends, of the S&P 500, which is 5.35, in 1 year, this is how much you're going to make, $320. Now let's say if we get, what, I don't know, 4 years, it will take you to get to this amount. And right now, this account is sitting at this amount.